Sorry. Ayan, before my next song, I'd like to thank Mr. Francis Libiran for my outfits tonight. For some of my outfits, like the one I'm wearing, like this suit. Maraming salamat po. I'd also like to thank Bello Medical Group again, because only Bello touches my skin. Who touches yours? Nice. Okay, and of course, to my friends who are here, isa-isang silang dumalaw kanina sa aking dressing room. Maraming salamat. Ate Kath, Catherine Bernardo, everyone. Aldora sa sound, maraming salamat din sa'yo. Kay Chi, of course to Joao, maraming salamat. Kay Kuya Robbie, kay Ate Mikey, maraming salamat. I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat sa paghabol. To Alexa, na nag-concert din kagabi. Si Alexa, ayun, maraming salamat for still attending. Alam kong pagod ka, but you're here. Maraming salamat also to Ate Denise Laurel. Maraming salamat, Ate Den. And Chong D, who's also here. Maraming salamat. And we also have AC Bonifacio, Angela Ken, maraming salamat. Jella Ataide, and Bel Mariano. Maraming salamat, andito siya. Thank you also po kay Miss Jamie Rivera. Maraming salamat, Miss Jamie. Bailey May, Tita Sylvia Sanchez, and to the Ataide family, maraming salamat. Chabby, what's up? Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying. Who else is here? Si DJ Jai Ho. Ayan, what's up, Ate Jai? Kuya EA Guzman, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. It's been a while. Kuya EJ Falcon, nandito rin. Ate Kit Kat, Miss Maricel Morales, Miss Rochelle Barameda, and the rest of my Beauty Derm family. It means so much that you guys are here. Grabe. Beauty Derm! Alright. Maraming salamat po. And going back, alam niyo po, with all the music genres that I get into, of course, ballad will always be one of my favorites. It's always been part of my core. In fact, it's something that I love because with music, there are times where you can express yourself when you can't find the words to say it. If you want to get that message across. And that's my way of expressing myself sometimes. And that's also how I feel with ballads. And tonight, I'm performing one of my latest singles under Star Music na naging OST din po ng aming hit TV series na Can't Buy Me Love, where I played the role of Stephen Panueco. This is Iyo. Maraming salamat po. Give it up for the A-Team! Grabe yung A-Team! Buhay pa ba tayo, guys? Of course, Harineta, we're not done yet. Marami pa tayong mga galawan at sayawan na kailangan gawin. So please, join me in singing and dancing along to this classic 90s hit. Here it is.
kamusta yung concert? Thank you!
Sobrang saya. Congrats, Darren.
Ay, Charlie, kamusta yung experience mo tayo?
Sobrang saya. Darren, I love you!
Hi! What can you say sa concert na kapatid?
Po?
What can you say po sa concert?
The concert was electrifying. It was amazing po. It was so fun to watch and it was so fun to be a part of po.
Yeah. And anong message mo kay Darren?
The message to Kuya is, Kuya, I love you so much. I'm so proud of you. No matter what, I'll always be your #1 supporter and keep doing what you're doing. We're always gonna be here for you. I love you.
And yung favorite parts sa concert? Of course, yung kasama kayo. Pero ano yung pinaka-favorite?
Yung opening prod po niya, it was so groovy po. It was so fun to watch and it was so interesting to just be, so interesting to just be there. It was amazing po.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you pa. Thank you pa.
Yan, interview ko na rin po kayo saglit lang. Kayo lahat na, sabi na kayo lahat.
Oh!
What's your reaction sa
Syempre, paano ba? Syempre, na-surprise kami kasi yung ibang moves and pinakita niya tonight is unbelievable. Hindi namin na-expect since 10th year naman niya na, di ba? So, binibigyan niya tayo ng new flavor. So, dun kami nagulat. And, of course, ayun, happy anniversary, Darren. We're all here, your Darrenatics family, of course. And then, andito lang kami to support you. Of course, the SBR committee, my team, the streaming voting, and the requesting team. So, ayan po. Ayan. Then, ayan. So, thank you. Syempre yung ano bang tawag dun?
One moment.
Hindi! Yung anong tawag dun yung ganun? Kaldag! Kakaldag syempre. Ayun, kasi nga, you know, bagong ayun po. Thank you!
Interview ko na lang. Anong experience, masasabi niyo sa concert experience? Favorite part ng concert? Ayan, thank you po.
Kasi! I love Kasi! I love Darren! Kasi! Darren! I love Kasi! Kasi! Darren! Kasi! Darren! Kasen tayo!
Kamusta po experience ako?
I love Kasen all the way! Walang iwanan! Kasen tayo!
Favorite part po sa concert? Favorite part po sa concert?
Lahat! Lahat. Lalo na yung ganyan.